Variables multiple choice quiz.
1. Which of the following is a valid variable name in Python?
A second underscore variable.
B. Second variable.
C. Second underscore variable. D. Second variable. Answer: C. Second underscore variable.
2. Which of the following statements will cause an error?
AX equals 5. B underscore var equals 10. C 3 var equals 15. D var underscore 3 equals 20. Answer: C. Second underscore variable.
3. What is the data type of the variable x after the following code is executed? X equals 10, x equals Chitra.
RINT. B float. C str. D ball. Answer: C str.
4. Which of the following is the correct way to delete a variable in Python?
A. Remove x.
B delete x. C del x. D erase x. Answer: C del x.
5. What does the type function return in Python? A. The value of the variable. B. The type of the variable. C. The memory address of the variable. D. The length of the variable.
Answer: B. The type of the variable.